Hey guys, how's it going? I hope all of you are having a great day. Fantastic evening for everyone, and also fantastic morning wherever you are. It's probably daytime at some people and evening, and it's just all over, right? TradingView is such a great, big community, and people from all over the place, which is great. Okay, so happy day wherever you are. Thank you. Please first, just to get this out of the way, if someone wants to attend the trading course, please PM us for the trading course details. Thank you. Okay. So today topic about Bit Torrent against Doge coin. Okay. So let's look at this one. So this price is still really cheap. That's just did reach 1 cent exactly. Is like bang. Okay, out of the game. It retraced. Most of the cryptocurrencies now follow the arc pattern. Okay, for those who are not familiar with the arc pattern, how does it work? It will go up high, then it will crash all the way 62%, then it will go to 23%. Then after that, it will decide what to do. Maybe a complex correction a little bit. Then usually it will break up again if there is a massive buy. Okay, so arc pattern. Let's just type it here. That's arc pattern. And we also do teach this part in our trading course, a lot of patterns. Okay, so you'll be familiar with them. Such a big move followed. The motivation for this move, either it's fundamental news or huge public behavior behind it. Everybody's believing about something, and that's what happened with the crypto right now. Everybody's believing, oh, here we go, let's go, get this one, quickly, okay. Then that's why mostly you get this such a big bull run, followed by 62% correction, mostly. Okay, so let's check this one. How much? It's even beyond the 62. Okay, but didn't close below the 62, but it did touch it. So keep an eye when there's a crypto shooting up like crazy like that. Then a correction comes. I want you to highlight this level around the 62 and keep very close eye on this one. Okay, keep very close eye on this one, because in many cases you're gonna find this one after a big move swing up, you're gonna get a correction to the 62%, then it's gonna go also to 23% after. Okay, right here. So this one first, if it does break this one, continue up, then you may end up with really big move afterwards. Okay, so possibly we are reaching this level right there, 0.0105 in the BTT. So I would recommend, if you have a buy here, possibly you can congratulate yourself, and just tap yourself on the back and say, good for me, I hope this will work out. Okay, if you're not in, it's your choice if you want to buy it. But if I do have $1,000, definitely I would buy BTT now. That's a good price after a correction, after showing really nice move to the upside. Okay, so that's the technicality about it, how technical does work. So technically, that's really nice. The second thing I would share with you, that's a secret for today. Here in the MACD, we do have such a big move followed by a correction, and it's like bang, we did start today a new buy signal in the MACD, and that's really good news for bull ones. Okay, so if you're on the buy, that's good news for you. I hope this will continue to the upside. Okay, I'm gonna share you another secret with the MACD. We also teach this stuff in our course. In order for the price for the MACD to make a level, reach this one, that doesn't mean the price is gonna go here. That's probably is gonna go at least 161% of this price for the MACD to keep the momentum. Otherwise, we're gonna have a divergence. Okay, we shared this almost the same view in the Bitcoin. Okay, we have had this previously in the Bitcoin. We can talk about it later. Okay, again. So what we're looking at right now is this to continue going up and the MACD to reach this high, okay, or even higher. For the MACD to reach this high, it means the price need to break this one and go about 50% above this high also, okay? So right there, I'm just gonna remove everything from here, make it clean so you guys can see it. So the target for this one in order to avoid divergence. Okay, so you take, sorry, I don't want to get the few problem and get the extension. So if you get this one from here, hit it right there, hit it here, and that's going to be your targets. So for order to avoid divergence, okay, uh, we need to reach probably around right there. Okay, I'm going to highlight multiple levels so you guys get an idea about potential levels right here. Of course, even higher levels are possible, very well possible. I do expect this to shoot up very soon. I could be wrong, but I'm just sharing with you my honest opinion. So I'm not benefiting anyway if you, if you get hurt, or if you make money. I'm just sharing honest opinion, what I truly believe in. Okay, so we do have this as first target. Okay, let's make it look nice. We have this one right here. Of course, that's first target. Then right there, second target. Then third target. Okay, then fourth target. Okay. And just to give you approximate idea about where prices where you can take profit. Okay, this scenario does not have to happen, but in order to avoid divergence, this scenario need to happen. What does this mean? Okay, let me show you. What does it mean in order to avoid divergence? Okay, I'm gonna share this with you now. Okay, if we see this one, that was an old one. So Facebook will cause Bitcoin to go to 50,000. And the price was only at that time right there, here, was about 9,000. But we said don't buy before 6,000. So we were expecting this to come down here, this area, and then shoot back up to 50,000. Well, it was not bad. It did come to this 6,000 level, and then it did continue going up and up and up and up and more up to the 60,000. But it did hit the 50,000 really nice. Okay, so that was a good one. Okay. Okay, we're just again look at another one we previously talked about in the Bitcoin, right there, this one. Okay, so the same scenario happening here, guys, in the BTT. Okay, right here, if BTC/USD does not reach 72.76 area by 18th of April, and you guys do remember this date when there was a blackout in some area in the mining in China, and the price did crash big time, about 9,000 in one day. We will have divergence, and it could fall hard to 44. Okay, so that was the first scenario to get to the yellow, and that to avoid divergence target. Okay, and we have a head and shoulder target, but if there would be a divergence, it means the price will go like this, and the MACD is going to bloat like that. Then this is going to break this trend. It comes to this level, and if it does break, it goes back down to this level. Okay, so right there, it did fall all. That's big amount, guys. That's a big amount. If you look at this candle only was 9,000. Okay, and you can see it almost did the same thing. It did go up here very close to there, and there's like bang to this level. It didn't reach all at one, but it banged right there. Okay, so we do have the same situation right now in the BTT. In order to avoid divergence, we need to get higher levels. Okay, so that's really potentially a very good buy, guys. Okay, very good buy potentially. So I'm gonna share this one. I'm gonna publish this one right now with you as we talk. Okay. Okay, just a little bit more about BitTorrent right here. It's ranking number 35. Okay. It has been a correction. That's why you can see this is down a little bit. It has 5 billion market cap. So guys, any small amount of money kind of is gonna move it. Okay, it's not as much like it's compared to the something like the Bitcoin or Doge now. It's small, but compared to the other one, it's large. Okay. The circulating supply is 659. Okay, billion. It's high a little bit, and total supply is 990 billion also here. Okay, that's the price right there. It did shoot up, having a correction, started bouncing back. Okay, market cap. Market cap is the same, very close with the price. It did reach 10 billion, double, because it did go almost halfway. So it did lose half of its capital, and that was profit taken. Okay. Can take this one right here. Okay, guys. So this one is done. Right here already published, so we can just share this in the group. So right there. TRX also in the daily time frame, we started a nice buy right here. Okay, 4 hour time frame, you started the buy a little bit previously right here. After this correction was over, you can start to see trend in line right there, and start seeing break of the trend line, start going above here. Has been steadily above this area. Okay, so it's looking bullish. You guys see, remember about the 62% and arc pattern I talked to you about? Right, check this one right here. It's not all the way. Let's take it from this area right there. See that? Exactly 6 to 8% correction is like bang. It's making like a double top. Okay. I think this is gonna continue and break to the upside right there. This is going up. Price also still very good. It's not expensive. So that's also a good potential, guys. But of course, whoever bought after the 6 to 8 correction right here is not as good as this one, but still good. You could have bought more coins, but still good. You don't have a MACD signal right here, okay? This support is very, very important. We don't come below this one because that's 6 to 8% support from this big wave, and that's serving as your main support right now. If this is broken, we would expect a big move afterwards. Okay, if this high is taken, and I do expect to be taken, then you would be expecting actually a double of this one to the upside. Okay. Okay. Okay, and we'll discuss this one. I think already. It's shooting up, really nice. Okay, we have set multiple targets right here. You can see this. The daily is going crazy. I would prefer for sure BTT over Doji right now because how this looks like. See, I don't like this. There's a big potential still bullish in it and everything, but what I'm saying is, technically, I would look at this one and the other one. I would prefer the BitTorrent over the Doji. Technically, okay. So this may get a correction, guys. Everything is possible, right? So you may get a correction down here before you go up again, with a lot of people actually getting in and to buy. Or tomorrow we can see with Mr. Musk speaking, we can see a big move to the upside. He always moved it to the upside. Okay, so it will not be surprised if we see a big move tomorrow, or I mean today, it depends on your time and stuff. Okay. Let's look at the Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin still shy in the same area, not really moving. Okay, has been ranging right here. It's collecting more order, but it looks bullish in the 4-hour time frame with this up right here. I mean the daily. So in the daily, it does have a good potential to continue this upside movement. Okay, guys. So as long as the MACD will not come back down to break below this point right there, this will be a continuation to continue to the upside. The next level is probably to watch the 65. If the 65 is taken, I'm probably gonna see the 70, 75 very quick. Okay, it will shoot up 10,000 quickly because just you have taken a strong level right here, all-time high. So you're not gonna go just to break it to be 2-3,000 above it. You're probably gonna break it to hit 10,000 above it at least. Okay. Watch out in order to get to avoid divergence in the daily time frame. We need to break this high. In order to break this high, we probably need to go above 95,000. Okay, in the daily time frame. So I'm speaking a little bit longer term. So Bitcoin need to go 95. Otherwise, the risk will be coming back to 35 or 40 is still there. Okay, so keep this in mind. Here you see in this one, so that was really nice because you avoided divergence right here. See this? So you are making higher prices, but at the same time, the rate of going high is actually good. So that was a really nice avoiding divergence. Right there, there was a divergence. See, you're making a new high, but right here, you're actually going low. Bang. That was a signal. That was a signal the Bitcoin is going to go down. And probably if you look at the 4-hour time frame, you're going to see some of my signals right here also. It's too small. Okay, guys, we have put multiple signals here in Bitcoin. So I hope this is clear about the divergence, how you spot if things are going to continue going up or down right here. So, okay. So watch out right there. We reach it up to here. Okay. Then the price will go higher, right? But the MACD saying, believe me, I'm going down. Okay. And everybody was putting buy signals and stuff, and we've had a sell right here in this area, and the price is like bang, big time. Okay. Bang, big time, huge amount. Okay. But right now, the MACD is showing it did dip down and it started going up. So that would be a buy signal with this big nice candle right here. It did have a retest of the same level, same open price right there. It did hold and holding above this one. So right now, the real support of the Bitcoin is 53. Okay, and you guys know when the Bitcoin will move up, it will drag almost everything with it. Okay. When it's going down, it will drag majority of the coins down with it. Okay, so the market moves kind of in correlation to each other. Basically, the Bitcoin is used as the index. So the Bitcoin is the SBX for the cryptocurrencies. Okay, I do believe this is going to be only for a certain amount of time, and afterwards, the Bitcoin market capitalization percentage is going to 10% from 43 right now, and it used to be 70. So the dominance of the Bitcoin is gonna get much lower. Okay, so there's other currencies are just gonna jump over the Bitcoin I don't believe Ethereum is going to be one of them, and Cardano definitely is one of them. Okay, so right now we have seen this. The price is going up, but the MACD is saying I'm coming down. I'm going further up. The MACD confirming it's like a mountain, and you actually reach the top right there and start going down. The price is going up. It's just like you're flying in the air. You're gonna fall at one time, and it's like here it was big correction to the downside to this area. Okay, so keep the eye on stuff like that. So in order to come back to this level in the MACD, you need probably around the 95 level. It depends on how fast it's gonna go. Okay, so about 95 level to be able to avoid the divergence in the daily time frame, and we can see the crypto world actually growing big time in majority of the currencies and stuff. Okay, guys, so let's jump to the ETH. I think is all going good. Just this right there. Watch out, the ETH is shooting up like crazy right there. After this move, we may get a correction because it looks like it needs a correction right here. Okay, so guys, this accumulation, expect momentum. It was 1, 2, 3 candles like this. Because we put this in the 4-hour time frame, so it was shown more. And actually, with the arrow, you highlight this one. I'm just clicking the arrow right now, and you can shift it up and down. Right and left. That's pretty cool. I just figured this out now. Chart itself, as you can shift it right and left with the key. You don't have to use the scroll on the mouse. Okay. So that's using like that. Okay. And that's gonna take the next one in the list. So you can, if you do have a list, you can just keep shifting between them like that. So that's CHZ. You can see there is, and for our time frame, there is a signal, and the LTC, it's probably heading for a small correction or something. The MACD pointing down. Okay, we are well, and it's DXY because I do believe this one I have right here is analysis. If we go to crypto, then it's going to be different one. For finance. So that was the previous forecast we've had, and we said ETH market cap need to go to 1 trillion. That means expect the ETH to reach 9K. Okay, how you do expect the price actually by the market cap expectation. How too big is too big? 1 trillion is not too big for the ETH if everything continue to be good. Okay, so basically that's how I came up with this number. Because the Bitcoin right now is like 1.1 or so. So ETH is potentially should reach the Bitcoin. So if it does happen and reach the Bitcoin current capital at that time, who knows, Bitcoin maybe 0.5, maybe 2 trillion, God knows. Okay, so if ETH will reach this number, and this is possibly very well could happen, it means the ETH price could go to 9K. Okay, so if you guys don't have ETH and you want to hold it for a while, it's probably not a bad idea. We see that we have been having very difficult time to reach the 3,730 right there. But we did take the 3,200 really easy and did work as a support, very well. Support has been tested 3 times. You guys see that? 3 times has been tested right there. See? It did break, then 1, 2, 3 times testing. Then the trend line is supporting very, very well. Okay, as long as we are above this trend line, we are bullish. With the first candle to break the trend line, just like this red candle, you can see all these are green. Okay, out of this candle is like bang. You get out of this, wait a correction, then you enter again. Okay. I have been saying Cardano is my favorite and will continue to be my favorite. See, guys, that was good. Well, this didn't go down, continue going up. It did break this high. We said for long-term investors, just keep it, hold it. Okay. We said for long-term investors, just hold it and see this forecast, say bang to 2.2 actually forecast. Beautiful. It did go. That was really nice forecast. It did go actually this swing. It did did make the correction. It's just the colors are not showing very well, but it's really here showing a little bit better. This yellow background is doing great right there. So it did go up with it exactly almost same level. It did go. It did do the side movement almost the same level. It did go back up almost to the same area, a little bit above. Then possibly you can get a correction, then continue going up. Okay, so EDA possibly can reach $100. Okay, in the long run, it could reach $100. There is a big future for the Cardano and their projects and stuff. So keep the eye on this one. It keeps just going up really nice. Right now in the 4-hour time frame, looks like there is a small correction going on. If you look in the daily time frame, we're still good. We still have a lot more to go. In order to avoid divergence, you need to come back to this high and make actually a new high. So the price need to go up above this. See, this green need to come above here. In order for this to happen, the price need to reach above probably 2.2 or 2.3 minimum. Okay, maybe even 2.5. So that's something to keep the eye on. But internally right now, you expect a small correction before it will go up again. Okay, it may happen, it may not, but just we have been saying Cardano, 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 Cardano. Okay, so I hope you guys have invested in this one. I've been making some good money and some good profit and stuff. Okay, let's jump again in. So let's see what happened in the last 24 hours right here. So Bitcoin Diamond, BCD 33%, 7 days 243%. Unbelievable. So if you have put $1,000 7 days ago, they will be $3,000, okay, and 400 and actually 800. So $800, 3,800. If you would, not bad. The price $8. Try to get the cheaper stuff. So Dogecoin right there. Okay, it's one of the 100% in last 7 days, guys. Unbelievable. 21% only for the last 24 hours. Bitcoin token 29%. So that's all. It did reach $6. Can Dogecoin reach $6? Yes, if everybody's buying. Okay, 62% for this $8 LESC, 10% increase in the last 24 hours. That's a huge amount. ICX Icon 5% increase in the last 7 days. 10% increase in the last 24 hours. Hopi token also has been doing good. 37% for the cash, okay, in the last 7 days. Phantom started again, guys. So watch out for Phantom. It could be a good buy now, okay. XMR was going a small correction, then start picking up again. Stacks right there is for the 7 days. When you see something like this for the 7 days is down, but the daily is up, it means it was going through a correction, and today or yesterday is just starting to go and back up to pick up. So it's just like a fast moving average and a slow moving average. You can look at this way. So when you see something's going down, that's another trick for you guys. Okay, when you see something's going down like this, it's going through a correction. Okay, then for the 7 days, if you see for the 24 hours, this green price is picking up and going up, but that 7 days is still down. Go and look this chart. This could potentially be a good buy because that was like a correction finished. Then you can get a really good price and you catch it from the beginning. Okay, you can put this as a note if you wish. Nano right there, 21%, 4.6% for the last 24 hours. Cosmos 21%, 58%. See something like this. DCR, go check it out. If you see it good, like this one, DGB. Let's go check it out to get an example. So that's DGB. Let's find it. right there. Okay, right there. Just 1 second here. Okay, see what we have said. When you see something going down for the 7 days, see that says like 7 days right there, and for the daily start to going up, then you will catch it after a correction. Okay, so that's a secret for you. We teach stuff like that in our course. Okay, guys. So this possibly could be a buy. So that's after a correction, start picking up. Oh, bang! So target right there, at least here to hit this one. So that's not bad. DGB USDT, if it's available in Binance, I do believe. Okay. Okay. I hope this is clear. Okay. This point, I hope it was clear. Hey, bud, January, how's it going? Hope you're having a good day. I don't know if you did miss this one. We discussed something cool here you would like. Let's bring it back up. So if you want to catch the good trades after correction, you will come here and you make a filter for the 24 hours right there. So you get, just keep clicking on this one. So you get a filter. Okay. See what's actually going up. And actually you can make a filter for the 7 days, what is going down first. Okay. Then you can make a filter for the 24th. Right there. Stay there. Okay. Here. So if you get something in the 7 days change is negative, it means it has been going through a correction for the last 7 days. But if you see the daily is picking up and going positive, it means it's just started to rise again after it finished the correction. And that's the one you should go and check and you see if the technical analysis is giving you a good buy. Okay. So the 1 day or 24 hours, just like the fast moving average, and the 7 days, just like a slow moving average. So every time you get this one is going green and this one is red, it's just like you do have a moving average across and potentially a good buy. Okay. So these ones like ENG, ENJ, possibly this could be a good buy. Possibly you have to still go check, right? Anchor right there. Possibly this could have been a profit taken, finished, and starting to pick up again right now. Okay, that one, CHZ. So CHZ possibly is a good buy now. So because it did go up through 8% correction, then today start to pick up again. Okay, 3.3. Okay. You guys got the concept, right? I hope this is clear. Okay, thank you. I hope you like this trick. Okay. Yeah. So was not too much. Is there any question, guys? Any currency, any specific currency you want to look at? Okay, in particular or anything before we call it good for today? Okay, guys, thank you for joining. It was my honor having you guys. Thank you and have a great day. If you guys would like to join our trading course, please PM us about trading course details. We cover basic analysis, technical analysis, okay, and harmonic and Elliott wave, and much more, in the course. And courses are, delivered in Zoom meeting and stuff. Okay. Hi, Mr. Hamid. How are you? Okay, guys. Thank you and have a great day.